So if you want to put your SD card in your computer or in your phone, what you're going to do is you first need to take the SD card out of your camera. Now, how you can do this is it depends on the camera, but most of the time it's on the bottom. There's a slot like this. Simply push down and take out your SD card like this. Once you have your SD card, you simply want to grab an adapter if you don't have a slot in your phone or in your computer. You can buy them for really cheap. I'll link them in the description. But basically, you can see on the side of my computer, we have this adapter right here. And basically, you can just put in your SD card. If it's a micro SD, you're going to need a micro SD card reader. And once you put it in your computer, you can see right here, this tab will actually pop up like so. And you simply want to open it. It goes the same for your phone. And you can basically find this option in photos on your phone if it's not on your computer. And you can see right here, once we open it, we go to DCMI. Open the folder with all the footage that you're trying to open. We can basically just view and watch all of these different videos just like this. Once you've accessed the files on your SD card, you simply can drag them onto your computer and make a folder. And you can see right here, it'll just take a few seconds and you can actually just send them to other people, upload them to Drive, send them to your phone, or do whatever you want to do with them and simply extract your SD card by double clicking on it, clicking eject, and it's simply left your computer. As you can see right here, our videos and photos are now easily accessed on our computer. Thanks for watching.